Let's cut a shooter lane into here that'll actually be physical for visual pinball. So I got rid of this. We're not going to cut that out. It's called Playfield 03 because that's how many times I've screwed up this part. We're going to make some loop cuts to set the boundaries of the area that we're working in so we don't mess up the rest of it. You can get rid of this section now. Should be able to bring those all in there. And I think I can dissolve those. Yep. Okay, cool. And then this can get pulled down. And you can create a bevel here. Something like that, but without too much geometry. You know, you just don't want to add a lot. It's going to give visual pinball more work to do, and we don't need that. Okay. And then we'll just go clean these up. Okay. And we can fix this all later. We're going to remap that. Be no problem. What we want to see now is something that actually looks like a shooter lane, and this does. We could add more detail, we could smooth out those edges, but you know, in the end that's just more math that visual pinball is going to have to do, and I think this gives us a good illusion, not just for the ball to hit, but also for light, because we're going to pre-render this playfield in Blender before we bring it into visual pinball.